Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Thursday Thoughts. This is Suvit with you. First of all, let me express my sincere gratitude to each one of you for the support you have given me through subscriptions, likes, and comments. It really motivating me to move forward and do more videos. Thank you so much. Today's lesson is having many connections with all the previous lessons. Therefore, if you skip any of previous lessons, I recommend you to watch it before proceed with this lesson. Links for the previous lessons are given below in description. Previous lessons we thought about uniqueness, values, belief, attitude, knowledge and skill, right? Today we are going to think about the combination of these. So being on fifth lesson of Rhythm of Life, my today's performance is all about performance. To succeed in your mission, you must have a single-minded devotion to your goal. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I hope you all must have set goals in your life, right? So, here I have few questions for you to ask yourself. Question number 1. Are you confident about your goal? Confidence is building your ability to figure out the things. It is reflection of what you know and how you can do. Confidence is sum of your knowledge and attitude. Always be confident about your goal by acquiring right kind of knowledge and attitude. Question number 2. Are you competent to achieve it? Competence is the actual ability to do something well. Being confident does not mean that you are competent. Along with your confidence, you must have certain skills to do it, right? Then only you can achieve something. Competency is sum of attitude, skill and knowledge. So, always develop the required skills to achieve your goal. Question number 3. How productive are you? Productiveness is the ability to produce the result out of your competency. Being competent doesn't mean that you are productive. To become productive, you must have a need, right? Productiveness is the sum of your competency and need. So, to become productive, always prioritize your needs towards your goal. And finally, question number 4. How is your performance? People always tend to confuse productivity and performance. Productivity is the measure of efficiency, whereas performance refers to the way which someone functions to accomplish something successfully. Being productive doesn't mean that you are a good performer. You must have something more, right? Before going to the equation of performance, let's watch a small video. What is Stunning Performance by Stephen Devasi? After watching this video, what do you think? What is important for performance? Yes, passion. Performance is ultimately depends on passion. Passion is the only thing that makes you unique from others. Productivity is coming out from the pressure, but performance, it always comes from passion. So my dear friends, here I am signing out for the week with the final equation by Robin Sharma. Performance is sum of passion and production. So always be passionate towards your goal. Love what you do and do what you love. And finally, don't forget to consider your passion whenever you set a new life goal. Thank you for watching. See you back on next Thursday with another life-changing lesson. Bye bye.